Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT logging error. If you are facing the logging error issue, in this video I will show you easy and simple step to how to fix it. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. Turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds, then on again. And the second step is restart the phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the other step is check your username and password. Make sure your email or username is correct. Check your password carefully and turn off your cap locks like VPN or proxy. Wrong details are the most common reason for logging errors. And the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is up to the latest version. Open Google Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app and tap on update option if it is available. Old version may not work properly. So the other step is check server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side. The app server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also face the same issue. And the other step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. Go to your phone setting, then tap on apps or app management, then select app list or apps, then search for the app and tap on storage and cache. Click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. And the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, uninstall the app, restart your phone, install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app and try it again. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.